Hey folks, I'm Adam. I'm an instructor here at Grand Circus. Today we're going to cover Git and GitHub, as well as walking through the setup of your first repository. There will be 4 videos in this series, so make sure you check out the other 3. Before we go too far, these videos are being recorded on a Mac, so if you're using a Windows or Linux operating system, you may experience a different look with your programs. Depending on when you are viewing this, you may also experience slight variations on what is shown on the screen. Before we start, let's remove any confusion. Git and GitHub are not the same thing. Git is simply just a tool that allows us to keep track of our projects, manage updates, and collaborate with team members. Keeping track of the changes is sort of like saving in a game, or simply taking a snapshot of the current state of your code. If neither of those ring a bell, think about Google Docs. Google Docs has version history. We can go back and forth in time to see the different changes. If there are any problems with an update to our code, we can simply just undo those changes quite painlessly. GitHub, on the other hand, can be thought of as a hosting service for our projects that use Git. Not only does it allow individuals a place to store their code, it also doubles as a great service for teams to collaborate on the same projects. The combination of the two is quite powerful, and it's very popular in development. With that quick comparison between Git and GitHub, let's move on to the next video where I talk about key terms and a